I'm watching, so he's not making noise no more. It's cute. It's a very, very tiny bird. It's very loud. That's this your alarm clock. Yeah. Super loud. Look at this guy. He is so small, but he is so loud. He's very loud. Yeah. 4 o'clock in the morning, making all those chirping noise. Yeah. He's an early bird. It's a very tiny guy. The smallest bird that make a lot of noise. That's my alarm clocks. I'm not going anywhere. I want to hear his screaming again. I know. Tiny little one. Make all the noise.